Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see a process of a scalable two-phase top-down specialization approach for data anonymization using MapReduce and Cloud. So today's cloud computing technology moves towards the big data process. Here we are providing the big data applications in which map reducing performs are being performed on the cloud, and also the main core of the top-down scalable approach is for we have to anonymize the data for the big data computations. Now also we make use of the parallel capacity of MapReduce. We provide the specifications packet for anonymization process, and the first process, the datasets are partitioned to a group of smaller datasets, and these datasets are anonymous in parallel fashion. And second is that we at last we integrate all the anonymous results into one. So by means of this process we improve the scalability and efficiency by indexing the anonymous data records. Next we are going to see a flow of the process. First we have collected the larger data, which is tends to be the bigger data computing. So we have taken the some profiling, user profiling data. So main core of this approach to perform the anonymization in a parallel fashion. In order to apply the MapReduce process, we have to partition the data before applying into the MapReduce cloud. And after that, applying the partition, we have to split it into the smaller data set. And after that, we have to apply the algorithm IGPL initiation and specialization for that OBS strategies. And after applying that, performing these operations, our data is anonymized and performing. From there we have to perform our MapReduce process. So MapReduce process actually works on the we have specifically give some of the process to the mapper class and some of the passes to reducer class, so that it will perform in a MapReduce process. And after applying the anonymization MapReducing, we collect the intermediate results, which is happened in the form of quantity identifier technique. After it will be updated into the MapReduce. At last we get the intermediate results as an MRTS by means of MRTS driving process, and finally we apply the specialization process. We get the overall merging process to check the integrity of the process. Next we are going to see a demo of the process. Before starting the process we have to configure the Hadoop. So this is a Hadoop machine in which our remote jobs are being executed. So the IP address of the virtual machine, this is a Unix machine. So before starting that, we have to give some commands to start the server. Start Hadoop. So when you start the Hadoop, it will show like it will say already started. And after that, once you start this, so we can able to run the process. These remote Unix machine is integrated into this Eclipse. Actually we are using the Eclipse version SDK Europa, which is this specific Europa version is used to run this process. And after that, so this is our package. First we have to run the frame1.java. So before running the process, also this is our MapReduce location. This is a Hadoop server. So this is the IP address of that virtual machine in which we are being integrated. Just run the frame1, give run on Hadoop. So just select the server and give finish. First we have to load the data set and choose the file. Just go to the D location and just scalable, find the scalable folder, find inside the new, select data.txt. Here our data set has been loaded. It will show the data of the any student data set and the progress. Then after that, the size of the file, total file, the total records present and the total attributes. These are the original relation and its weight. And after that, we have to split. This is the, in order to apply the data partition we have to split the files. So we have to split the files and you can able to enter any number of files to split, and these splitted files have been uploaded into the Hadoop environment. So we have to here we are uploaded into the cloud, that is we in our process we have uploaded into Hadoop server. For example, this is the distributed file system Hadoop location. Here you can see give refresh here, you can able to find the file inside the Hadoop MapReduce system. You can see so once just in that Hadoop, once you give the refresh process, you can able to see the data which has been being uploaded into the Hadoop. So this is the location where the data has been stored in the remote server. So for example, HDFS, the IP, this is the path which has been uploaded into. And after uploading the data into the Hadoop, we are going for the further process with the MRTDS driver process. Here you can find you can select the attribute, and we have to find the relevant match for the each and every column. For this attribute results is 7, so we have to this is actually the IPGL initialization process where we find the relevant records, and anonymization is being performed here. And also the kata is the one of the attribute. Find is when you give the find, it will find the relevant match. It will find the relevant match means it will update 1, otherwise 0. And after that, once you reaches the reaches the value 7, you can able to give the update. Until you reach the number 7 records, you will have to give recursively you have to give the find and result and give results until you find the number 7, give update. And after it, these are the align attributes. We have to find the attributes weights for each and every attributes. After that, this is the parent attribute. This is a Quansi identifiers is used for finding the unique record in the MRTDS driver process. Then we perform the mapper process. After that, we perform the reducer process, and also we generate the intermediate key for each and every attributes. This is the original file. First we here we applied the n anonymization process, so we have finded the k anonymity here. So then we have anonymized the second kind of anonymization records. After that, we find the anonymizations for the third records. We have applied here. We have after while performing the anonymization operations for the reducer class, we have applied the anonymizations. After that, finally we merging operation. Here we merge all the 3 intermediate data partition results. After that, we show, when we give show, it will merge all the anonymized data partition records and show and retrieve from the Hadoop, and it will show the MapReduce process being performed on the cloud and results from the Hadoop. So all through the process we have achieved the data anonymization process by means of IGSPL initialization and updation process. And also with the help of the quasi identifier, we can able to perform the Hadoop MapReduce process, in which we perform the data anonymization records. So through that we can able to find out in the today's methodology. So we can able to only predict the data security process. Finally, our MapReduce process, our data partitioned files have been merged successfully here. So all through the process we have achieved the data anonymization by means of the MapReducing process, and after that by means of a normal security process lacks in basics data security mechanism in which encryption is performed. But in this process our data anonymization consisting of the specialization and initialization IGPL approach to anonymize the files by using of the MapReduce methodology and quasi anti-fire process. Thank you for watching.